Hello the doll, and welcome to KJH for Little Kids. In this channel, we make things that are pre-educational, super family friendly, meaning that it's 100% safer to watch for the entire family. This means that it's safe for every family member to learn new and exciting things to make everybody feel good and positive about themselves. Please try to remember that this platform cannot always be your kid's babysitter, and my best suggestion is that you just have to watch it with your kids. Your kids might find it enjoyable and fun to learn. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button to get more from KJH for Little Kids, and you can subscribe to our other 4 channels as well for something that is hopefully entertaining. Thanks for watching, and give the doll a high five.